everybody, and welcome to another video. I'm Queen Z, this is Wilson, and today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. What am I doing with my fingers, you ask? I honestly don't know. I think it's a dance. First, you're going to want to conceal your lips with foundation or concealer. So just pat, pat, pat all over your lips so that the foundation gets blended in properly. So I started from the nose, and I just drew from the tip of my nose towards the center of my mouth. From there, I created an elongated smile since the Cheshire Cat has a really big smile, and I smiled while I did it just to make sure that it pointed upwards. In between, I went ahead and built up the black pencil on the bottom of my nose. Just to make it seem more of a cat-like nose, I did this by creating upward strokes towards the tip of my nose from the bottom of my nose. And then I went ahead and re-outlined the liner that I had done with pencil with a black multi-stick color stick. I drew an equal amount of teeth at the bottom and top of the mouth in order to accentuate that it's a grin. After I finished the teeth, I went back in and applied black lipstick on my lips and then filled in the rest of the created mouth with black, making sure to avoid the teeth that I just created. And as you can see, for some reason, my lips are still shiny. Why? Why? So after lamenting over my lips, I moved on to my face, and I applied a pink paint. I did 2 even strokes on either side of my face, between my eyes and the drawn out mouth, and they're about equidistant apart. I really just eyeballed it. I would make it thicker near the edge of your face and skinnier as you go closer towards your eyes and your nose. And then just beat it out, blend it out so that the pink color smudges everywhere, but still leaves like a semblance of strokes. This will end up giving you more of a texture to your cat face. And when I mean blend, I mean blend it all the way towards your nose. Everywhere you can get that pink color to sort of stain your face. After you finish the cheeks, move on to the forehead. I did 5 lines, 1 in the center and then 2 on the side, each curving slightly more towards my nose. And then I did the same thing, blended it out, elongated and stretched the pink as far as I could across my face. After pinkifying most of my face, I went back and decided to put 1 stroke on each side of my face underneath the mouth just to create more stripes. And then for some reason I went under my chin. Is anybody going to see under my chin? Is it going to show up on camera that I have pink under my chin? No, because I didn't do my neck. So why am I doing my chin? But anyways, I went ahead and blended that out, made my face pinkier. I left an edge, so to speak, around the mouth. It's just an area where I didn't put pink in or blend the pink in, just to highlight the grin more so. After making my face pink, I noticed that my nose didn't look cat-like enough, so I went back in and added black on either side of my nose just to make it seem a little bit narrower. And I also went in and rebuilt the shape, and then I curved it along my nose as so, and it made it seem more cat-like. The wonders of contour. And then I went and contoured my nose slightly using the pink and blending it out along the sides of my nose just to make my nose seem slightly skinnier and put some more emphasis on the cat nose that I had drawn on my face. Blend, 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 blend. Alright, and then I went back into my nose and put in the pink hue within the lines that I had created. So, fill in the lines. And I went and let it dry. While I waited for it to dry, I added in some more purple strokes using a purple eyeliner pencil. And I just wanted an upwards and downwards motion across my face. And I ended the strokes similar to where I had ended the pink strokes that I had added in earlier. Sometimes I had to go back just to make sure it was dark enough, and I made sure it was thicker at the edge of my face than at the center of my face. I also, for some reason, went back and did the underneath of my chin. Do I know why? No. Let's just focus on the fact that I am putting in the purple lines in between the pink lines that I had created in order to create a stronger stripe effect, as a Cheshire cat has. You're going to want to add strokes in areas where you didn't put the pink lines in as well, just to create more of a look that it's fur with the upward and downward strokes. Paint on my nose was dry and added in a little bit deeper color onto my nose using the purple eyeliner over the pink paint that I had just used. This just helped create some more dimension, helped increase the shine. I also added some more purple strokes around my mouth. And then I went in and added the purple strokes on my face, and I made sure not to do it directly on the pink lines, but right next to them, except for the middle one. I just kept that on the line that I had created originally. And again, I started it really thick, closer to the edge of my face, and thinned it out as I got closer to the center of my face. I went back over my face with translucent powder just to make sure that everything was set, and then used pink eyeshadow on my eyes. I also added some purple eyeshadow on the outer corners of my lids. Using Ben Nye's white cream color paint, I very carefully filled in the teeth with the white paint, and I made sure not to get into the black. Added a little bit of a lighter pink color on the inner corners of my eyes, and added some darker color on the outer corners of my eyes, just to give a semblance of a cat eye without doing actual eyeliner, since cats don't have eyeliner, even though for some reason we still call it a cat eye. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty simple, easy to follow, I hope. If you have any ideas, please let me know for the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you!